So I'm Sean Hobbs. I'm a first-year master's student here at Virginia Tech in the Center for Packaging and Unit Load Design. I'm from Long Island, New York, in a small town from East Rockaway, which is 1 square mile. I went to Holy Trinity High School, and then I did my undergrad here in the Packaging Systems and Design program. So I wanted to take that degree and kind of expand upon it. I came to this program for my master's so I could expand upon my packaging systems and design degree. So I wanted to get more exposure to packaging, more or less how once it's tested, to see the type of damages that occur, to get a better understanding on how to improve packaging. So I wanted to just get that upper level knowledge based upon my previous degree here. So the overview of my project is that I'm looking at the pallet industry and looking at the trends of where it is now compared to where it was in previous years. So how I'm doing this is that I'm sending out a physical survey and an online survey to roughly 2,600 companies. And I'm asking them questions based off of like what type of pallets they're producing, all wooden pallets, but what type of pallets they're producing, the sizes of pallets they're producing, the different woods they're using, the different species. So I'm taking all that data so I can compare it to the previous surveys. The survey's been done every 5 years since '91. So I'm able to take this data and give it back to the pallet industry so companies can make a better educated choice based off of the information. So depending on if they want to produce more used pallets, more new pallets, the different sizes of pallets, so they can take that data and they can make better decisions for their companies. I really like to work with my hands and I love applied engineering, so I believe that this program was fantastic, being able to work in the lab 2 days a week and being exposed to multiple different types of projects from different companies, so every day is a little different. So that exposure, I believe, would make me more well-rounded for when I apply for jobs. I can potentially get a job where I can work with my hands more, and then I will already have some knowledge of hopefully what that company does, so I'll be more enticing on to these companies. My favorite thing about Virginia Tech in my last 6 years here, besides the food, which is great, I just like the culture here in the community. I just always felt that even though we're a large school, it feels like a very small school always. I always came from where I'm from, like all the schools that I went to were very small and tight-knit, so I just like that it makes you feel like home. Like everything feels so homey, everything feels so connected. So that's what my favorite part about Virginia Tech is.